Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that are ready to capture all those crazy moments on the road.
In the left corner, we have the OMBAR dash cam, and in the right corner, we have the REDTIGER 4K dash cam. Let the battle begin.
Alright, let's kick things off with the most important category, video quality.
The OMBAR dash cam boasts a front camera that records in UHD 4K, while the REDTIGER 4K dash cam also offers 4K resolution.
But here's the twist, the REDTIGER dash cam captures both the front and rear in 4K, giving you a 360-degree view of your surroundings. That's like having eyes in the back of your head. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams.
The OMBAR dash cam features super night vision technology, ensuring clear footage even in low light conditions.
But wait, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam takes it up a notch with enhanced super night vision.
You'll be able to spot even the stealthiest creatures of the night. Alright, let's talk about connectivity. The OMBAR dash cam comes with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily control the dash cam, view, download, or share videos through the KKFM app.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam also offers Wi-Fi activity, but it goes the extra mile with built-in GPS.
You can track your vehicle's location, speed, and route. Now let's tackle the issue of storage. The OMBAR dash cam comes with a 64GB TF card, which is expandable up to a whopping 512 GB.
That's a lot of storage space for all those crazy road adventures. But guess what?
The REDTIGER 4K dash cam also offers loop recording and comes with a free 64GB card. It's a tie in this category.
Last but not least, let's dive into the additional features.
The OMBAR dash cam comes equipped with a G sensor that auto-detects collisions and locks the file to prevent overwriting.
It also has a 24-hour parking mode, perfect for those pesky parking lot incidents. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam offers not only G sensor and parking mode, but also a touchscreen for easy access to all the features. After a fierce battle, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam emerges as the winner, taking home the crown in most of the categories.
And there you have it, folks. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam is the clear winner in this showdown, offering superior features and ease of use.
But remember, the ultimate decision is yours. Both dash cams have received positive reviews online and will definitely keep you covered on the road.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get more details and make your purchase.
Thanks for watching, and remember to always buy smart.